lot of manufacturers are facing problems with the productivity, and we have brought out Industry 4.0 solution, which focuses on KPI monitoring. KPIs such as OEE, predictive maintenance, productivity, downtime monitoring, machine health, parameters of power cost, cost per unit. Such parameters and such KPIs are being monitored by Autobits in real time. And based on the KPIs, we are able to generate predictive and prescriptive maintenance patterns, MIS reports, dashboards, alerts on the mobile application on the go. We have been helped by Nasscom in going through the Digital Manufacturing Champions program. We've developed a lot of case studies with the help of the team. And whenever we want, wherever we want, the team has always helped us in making a strategy for marketing or guidance on scaling our operations and our business. And every time it is like when we call, they're like, now you, this is your target, you have to reach here. And then we make that as a target and we make it a point to grow there.